Hey, my beautiful sweet friends, how you doing today? It's me, Sharita Jones, checking back in with another video. Hey, hello, fellow creators. As we gather here today, I wanted to take a moment to reflect on what it means to be a part of something bigger than ourselves. Each of us is already a creator, an innovator, and a storyteller. But what if I told you that our individual contributions are just the beginning? That together we have the power, guys, to build something even more significant, a lasting legacy. What does a legacy look like? It's a future where we not only succeed individually, but it also lift up others as we rise. It's a community where we share knowledge freely, where ideas flow without barriers, and where every creator feels empowered to pursue their vision, knowing they have the full support of a united YouTube family behind them. Let's talk about what that means in practical terms. A legacy of collaboration. Imagine the power of creating, not just for yourself, but for the collective good of the community. By consistently collaborating, whether that's through co-productions, shout-outs, or community-wide projects, we are creating a foundation that future creators will build on. Our ability to work together creates a ripple effect that will inspire the next generation to see YouTube not as competition, but as a platform for mutual success. A legacy of inclusivity and diversity. One of the greatest strengths of YouTube is that it gives a voice to everyone, no matter their background, their beliefs, or interests. By uniting, we make sure that every voice is heard, that no one feels left behind, and that our community reflects the beautiful diversity of our audiences. We are stronger because we are different, and it's those differences that make our content so rich and engaging. A legacy of empowerment. As experienced creators, we have a responsibility to mentor and support those who are just starting their journey. Imagine a YouTube where new creators don't feel overwhelmed by the algorithms or discouraged by slow growth, because they have an entire network of experienced creators guiding them. By building this kind of support system, we leave behind a legacy of empowerment, one where every creator, no matter the size, guys, no matter their size, can thrive. A legacy of social impact. We don't just create content, we influence others, inspire change, and have the ability to mobilize people for causes that matter. United, we can use our platforms for good, for important issues, supporting charitable causes, or using our collective reach to tackle societal challenges. We have the power to be a force for positive change in the world. A legacy of innovation. Let's not forget that YouTube, at its core, is about creativity and innovation. By uniting, we can push the boundaries of what's possible on this platform. Together, we can experiment with new formats, new technology, and ways of engaging with our audiences that will set the standard for what's to come. Our legacies will not just be the content we create today, but the innovations that we shape the future of digital media. So where do we go from here? It's simple. We continue to collaborate, to uplift, and to innovate. We make a commitment, not just to ourselves, but to the entire YouTube community. We recognize that our success is intertwined with the success of others, and we lean into the power of unity. YouTubers unite! We have an incredible opportunity right now, guys, to build something that will last far beyond our individual channels. To create a community where creators are not just content producers, but leaders, guys. We are leaders, we are influencers, we are change makers. This is our moment, guys. Let's seize it together. Together, let's build a legacy that will inspire, that will empower creators for years to come. So thank you so much, guys, for liking, watching, commenting, and subscribing. I truly and sincerely appreciate you so much, guys. Thank you so much for sharing all the videos. You are the best. Have an amazing day, guys. Love you lots, friends, and I will see you in the next video. YouTubers unite!